In the world of heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, having the right tools can make all the difference. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it efficiently, effectively, and safely. Power tools are essential for HVAC technicians, enabling them to work faster, smarter, and with greater precision. From drilling holes for installations to creating vacuums for refrigerant charging, these tools are indispensable for any HVAC professional. These tools not only simplify complex tasks but also enhance the quality of work. With power tools, HVAC technicians can ensure accurate measurements, secure fittings, and create clean cuts, leading to more reliable installations and repairs. Moreover, the use of power tools can significantly reduce the physical strain and effort required in many HVAC tasks. This is particularly important when dealing with heavy equipment or working in awkward positions. In essence, HVAC power tools are not just tools, they are an investment in efficiency, quality, and safety for any serious HVAC professional. Let's delve into the essential power tools that every HVAC technician should have in their arsenal. Drills are essential for creating holes in walls, floors, and ceilings for installing HVAC equipment and running ducts. Variable speed options are crucial for adapting to different materials. Vacuum pumps are used to remove air and moisture from refrigeration systems before charging them with refrigerant. This ensures the system operates efficiently and without contaminants. Manifold gauge sets are indispensable for measuring pressure and temperature within a refrigeration system. They help technicians diagnose problems, monitor system performance, and ensure proper refrigerant charge. Reciprocating saws, commonly known as sawzalls, are ideal for cutting through a variety of materials, including wood, metal, and plastic. They are useful for demolition work, duct modifications, and equipment removal. When it comes to drilling into concrete or masonry, rotary hammers are the go-to tool. They provide the power and impact necessary to create holes for mounting brackets, anchors, and other heavy-duty applications. These are just a few of the essential power tools that HVAC technicians rely on. Understanding their functions and proper usage is crucial for any aspiring or seasoned professional in the field. Power tools, while incredibly useful, can also be hazardous if not handled with care. Here are some essential safety tips to remember. Always wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from flying debris, dust, and sparks. Ear protection is also crucial when operating loud power tools. Before using any power tool, inspect it for damage such as frayed cords, loose parts, or cracked casings. Never use a damaged tool. Each power tool is designed for specific tasks. Using the wrong tool can not only damage the tool but also create a safety hazard. Always unplug power tools when not in use, especially when changing blades, bits, or making adjustments. Power tools should be stored in a clean, dry place when not in use. This prevents rust, corrosion, and damage. Remember, safety should always be the top priority when working with power tools. By following these guidelines, you can minimize risks and create a safer working environment for yourself and those around you. Proper maintenance is essential for ensuring the longevity, performance, and safety of your HVAC power tools. After each use, clean your power tools to remove dust, debris, and moisture. Use a soft brush, compressed air, or a damp cloth, depending on the tool and the manufacturer's recommendations. Many power tools have moving parts that require regular lubrication. Consult your tool's manual for the recommended type of lubricant and lubrication points. For cordless power tools, proper battery care is crucial. Avoid fully discharging batteries, store them in a cool, dry place, and follow the manufacturer's charging guidelines. Regularly inspect your power tools for wear and tear. Replace worn-out parts promptly and address any damage or malfunctions immediately. If a tool requires repair, have it serviced by a qualified technician. By taking the time to maintain your HVAC power tools, you not only extend their lifespan but also ensure that they operate at peak performance. Well-maintained tools are safer to use, more efficient, and produce higher quality results. Remember, your tools are an investment in your career. Treating them with care and respect will pay dividends in the long run.